Year 10. Today I want to talk to you about choosing a topic for your student research project. So there's a couple of things that you need to consider when selecting your topic. We've provided a list of suggested topics in your booklet, or you can see it attached to this post. Most of these topics then your teachers have seen many times before, so it's a good idea to have a look at the sample work to see what is expected of you in your student research project. So the first thing to consider is how much time you have. At the moment, you might be thinking 5 weeks sounds like a lot of time. However, if you leave it too long to start, the time will quickly slip away. Often students want to do something that takes more time than they expect. For example, seed germination or plant growth can take a long time to monitor, especially when you need to repeat your experiment a number of times. The other thing to consider is your interests. For example, personally, I couldn't care less about how a ball bounces on different surfaces, but a keen cricket player might be interested to know how the moisture level of a pitch affects how high a ball could bounce. Alternatively, personally, I'm very interested in the decomposition of so-called degradable plastics, something you personally may have no interest in at all. This is your chance to investigate something you would like to actually know. So be bold and choose something because you want to know the outcome, not because it's the easy option. The next thing to think about is real-world application. Think about how your topic could actually affect you or change your behaviour, and investigate something around that. For example, I've had students in the past investigate makeup or tampon brands because it would actually be useful for them. Or a student experiment on which packing technique allowed them to fit the most clothes in their suitcase so that they could best pack for their Year 10 ski trip. Students often do a better job if they're actually interested in the subject or the subject has a real world application, much more than looking at how high a ball bounces on different surfaces. The last one is cost and accessibility. Don't choose something you know you will not have the equipment to do or you will not be able to buy the equipment. For example, if you need 50 bottles of Coca-Cola to do all of your repeats and you are not willing to spend the money on that, then don't choose it in the first place. You also need to think about what you may not have available to you, such as measuring equipment, scales, thermometers, and that kind of thing. There is no point in seeing if coffee grounds affect the acidity of soil if you don't have or are not willing to buy from Bunnings a soil pH kit. I hope this helps you select your topic for your student research project. Make sure you ask your teacher or your friends for advice and then fill in the form down below when you have selected a topic. Thank you.